In this video, I am going to introduce you to StableRep. The idea behind StableRep research is that generated images can be more effective than real world in the training a vision model to classify images. And this is where these researchers, Yong Long and his colleague, have done a fabulous job by coming up with this new notion of StableRep. StableRep is a self-supervised method that trains vision transformers on images generated by Stability.AI's Stable Diffusion image generator. So the thing is that the models that employ a contrastive loss learn to represent example as more or less similar. For example, images that depict a particular object are more similar to each other, and images that depict other objects are less similar to the first group. If you go into their paper, they have this example where about traditional representation learning and also learning with synthetic data. The training method, known as SimCLR, uses a contrastive loss with two augmented, cropped, rotated, flipped, and so on version of each images. So a model learns that augmented versions of one image, which is closely related but different, are similar to one another. Given a prompt, an image generator produces images that are closely related but significantly more different than augmented versions of the same image. So the way it works on a very high level is that these researchers first used Stable Diffusion to generate around 2.7 million images. Then they drew the prompts from the captions and conceptual captions, which is primarily a data set of images and caption, and then asked Stable Diffusion to generate 10 images of each prompt. And if you scroll down to this paper, they have given lot of examples of that. And then they trained a weight B16 to generate a similar embedding for the augmented version of each image generated for the same prompt. The results were really cool. For example, for an FTVC aircraft with 10,000 images of 100 different aircrafts, by the way, StableRep achieved 57.6% accuracy, while the competing model CLIP, pre-trained on generative images, scored only 53.5%. Now the thing is that different foundation models understand different aspects of the world. So what is quite exciting to see that large diffusion models can be used to train a large vision transformer, which is really cool at analyzing images. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'm more than sure that this research will evolve more. So keep an eye on it, and I'll drop the link to this paper in video's description so that you can read along further. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.